Hi friends, today we are making a tiny cat. All you need is one paper and two hands. Let's fold together. Once there was a tiny cat who didn't roar or chase. It just sat on your finger, smiled, and made the whole world softer. Wherever it went, it left behind a little joy. It didn't need claws to be strong or noise to be noticed. Its magic was quiet. Sometimes being small isn't a weakness, it's a superpower in disguise.